Hey, I'm gonna let you onto a secret. Most first-time buyers don't lose the house because they can't afford it. They lose it because they followed the steps in the wrong order. So, what's the right order? From pre-approval all the way to getting the keys. We're gonna go over that in this video. I'm Jon Taw with Edge Home Finance. I work with over 140 lenders across 49 states. I'm going to walk you through what lenders generally review so you can move forward with clarity instead of guessing. Speaking of steps, I had a client who found a home they loved first. Sounds normal, right? But what happens if you fall in love with a home before knowing what you qualify for? They did, and unfortunately, they lost it. So, what should they have done first? Most people skip this, and it shows up later. What do lenders actually look at first? Your full picture: credit, income, debt, and savings. So, what if one part isn't perfect? Different loan paths may fit differently. FHA may allow more flexibility. Conventional may reward stronger profiles. VA may allow zero down for eligible buyers. Think about your situation. What needs attention first? Step 1 isn't house hunting, it's knowing your numbers. This changes how seriously sellers take you. Why do some buyers win without the highest offer? Good question. Because they're fully pre-approved. How my team and I work, we look through your whole financial profile before giving your pre-approval. Many out there, they just put a number down and give it to you and hope for the best. That's not the way to win. So, is pre-qualification enough? Usually not. It's surface level. Pre-approval is verified. Which one do you have right now? Pre-approval positions you, not just prepares you. If you're walking around with a pre-qualification and shopping, you're about to be surprised. Now you're pre-approved, and now you can look. But this is where mistakes start quietly. How do you avoid becoming house poor? Stay within your comfort payment, not your max. What happens if you stretch too far? Taxes, insurance, repairs, they all add pressure. Are you thinking about monthly reality or just approval? Approval shows possibility. Comfort shows sustainability. Price isn't the full story. What makes a seller choose you? Certainty, clean terms, strong financing. Would your offer feel safe to a seller? Most buyers don't think like sellers. Do you? Winning is about confidence, not just dollars. Now, let's talk underwriting, everyone's favorite subject, right? This is where deals feel uncertain. Underwriting, conditions, condition approvals, condition on offer, subject to. What actually happens after your offer is accepted? Full verification of everything. What can hurt your approval? New debt, job changes, large deposits. Don't be buying a brand new car when you're buying a house. Buy it after if you have to. You're trying to buy a house. House is more important than the car right now, okay? In fact, tell me before you do large purchases during this time. Planning any changes right now? Sustainability matters most here. Hot dog. This is the finish line. Clear to close. Hey, congratulations. You're clear to close. What does clear... Hot dog, that's hilarious. Okay. What does clear to close mean? Victory? It means loan is approved. Final numbers ready. But are you fully done? Well, almost. Walkthrough, signing, keys. What would that moment feel like? All the hard work and preparation we've done together shows up here. Most buyers don't lose homes because of bad luck. They lose them because the process felt unclear. So, how do you know if you actually are ready to buy right now? Well, we're going to cover that in the next video. If this feels a lot, that's normal. You can download the free Homebuyer guide below, or text me directly, or book a strategic review call where we go over your finances and get you ready to buy the house of your dreams. My goal is to make this a smooth process for you so I can get you across the finish line. No pressure, just clarity. Because clarity wins. Step by step gets you home. So let's get you home. I'll see you next time.